It's a beautiful day today. Cyril will drive the U-Haul and I will drive the car. From this date, we have still 4 days left in Artisan. Okay, it's done already. Here we are now. Our new place. After more than a month of fixing everything, at last we are here ready. After 6 days and now we're fixing our sitting room. Only now because we're so tired. Take a video, a simple video, so we could have a remembrance. It's good we found this place. I'm enjoying the sunset and the sundown. Thank you, Lord. Well, it's good for us that we transferred already. After less than 9 years. And now, here we are. It's nice for us. New place, new people, new surroundings. And new town home. Place. Things is still scattered. Fix. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you so much for watching. Bye! Maraming salamat. Long live and mabuhay!